Hello and welcome to DQMH 6.1. This video takes a closer look at the validation process when upgrading to 6.1 from older versions. After installing DQMH 6.1, a VI will pop up. If you run this VI, it will prompt you for a LabVIEW project file, which it will then scan for DQMH modules. You can then choose to validate a single module or just validate all modules in your project. You can also validate DQMH modules by going through the Tools menu, choosing DQMH Consortium Module Validate DQMH Module. When validating a module, the validation tools search for all the new features added to the new release and will help you to upgrade the code to be up to date. DQMH 6.1 comes with additional core files and features a new VI called Null Broadcast Events, which helps with defining event types during registration or unregistering from events. Another great new feature in DQMH 6.1 is the option to have a module show its block diagram right after starting the module. The Start Module VI now has a new optional input called Show Main VI Diagram on init, which is also added to the API tester. When running a new module instance with this option set to true, you will see the block diagram pop up right away. But even better, retain wire values will have been enabled automatically too. One thing we've been constantly improving over the last few versions of DQMH is the robustness of starting and stopping clones, both serially or in parallel, and especially for a large number of clones. One of the places where 6.1 introduces further improvements is the order of events when stopping modules, in order to avoid potential race conditions. DQMH 6.1 comes with the amazing capability to ignore specific validation tests by simply right-clicking the test to be ignored. Here, we are ignoring the obsolete error reported code detected test. When revalidating the module, we can see that the tool doesn't show the test we just added to the ignore list anymore. The validator tool features a new dialog window for managing ignored failures, which allows to remove previously added validation tests from this ignore list. The last failure the validation tool will report when upgrading to 6.1 is related to how the error reported broadcast information is displayed in the status string indicator of the API tester. There are many more great features for 6.1, so make sure to give it a try and take a look at the release notes for further information.